I've got some kind of funny straw thing on this. I don't know where my wife got that. It's fucking iced coffee hookah thing or something. I don't know what the hell that is. Welcome to Coffee Tack. Yeah. I'm your host, Niles. My name is Niles. Niles Goodman. Today we're going to be talking with one of our favorite people. I don't know. Margaret Simmons. Is that live streaming? Yes, it is. Okay, good. All right, let me get the TikTok up here. I should just title the stream Clove, and I'll probably get everyone like, what? What's going on with Clove? All right. So, yeah, I've already got IFA up. I'm just going to go through each one of yesterday's and see what we're keep up and what we're not going to keep up. Good morning. Be big? No, probably not. We'll see. I'm going to pull it up in a second here. Be big might go somewhere today, so we'll watch it. RJ, when I go through these, when the pre-market price is below yesterday's high, open, and close, just forget it. That's just too many points to get through today. Sure, there's some exceptions, but as a general rule, yeah. Let me know, guys, if NVIDIA breaks over yesterday's high today. That might be a good entrance. So I definitely want to take a look at it when it gets right to that moment. All right, GSM. Wow. Going ballistic. EVH, we'll keep that up. Okay. Affirm. Messaged you the other week. Have you reported those imposter accounts? Yes, I don't know what happened. Hopefully it worked out. Thank you very much. How much does your entire setup cost, or what's a reasonable amount? Oh, dude, you can actually do some pretty good damage and good trading for just like $1,000 computer. Really don't need too much. My setup is probably close to 3, 4, or 5,000, but realistically, actually, it's much more. But the way it's set up, you could set it up this way for like 3, 4, or 5. So good question. Good question. FRM, yeah, forget it. EVAX. Yeah, we'll keep that on watch. Skills. Apple's up to 154, hit almost 154 in pre-market. Skills, no good. Nope. Ah, shoot. Look at that. Sausage, eggs, great. I'm proud of my wife. AMC. Yeah, we've got Be Big on the radar. I guess I should put it over here. AMC, it's got a little bit of a possibility. I'm going to monitor it like far off on another screen, another window here. And GME is much more possible. Keep that up here. SQBG could go from where it is now to like 930, 10. Okay, we'll watch for a breakout on that. SLQT. Got a point or two to go. Today, SLQT could continue to fill the gap. BLCM. There we go. PayPal, I'll take a look at it. RGPP, I'll take a look at it. All right, BLCM will keep up. Run. Nah, too much congestion. RDHL. Yeah, we'll keep that one up as well. All right, now checking the market chameleon. What do we have this morning? IFA, GSM, charge point. Wow, Asana is up almost 12% on very low volume. This could be a great dip buy run opportunity, dip and run type of opportunity. Asana, NCNO. Also another good dip and run opportunity. I'll check on that forward in a minute. Okay, now over on the most active side, we got IFA, PSTV. All right, PSTV. We've seen this one spike before. That's Plus Therapeutics. It's bearish. Anytime it spikes way up, it goes red all day. So you guys should get ready to short PSTV. Make some money. Pi Kappa Alpha. What are you talking about? All right. GSM, charge point, GSAT. Around a little bit. Okay, yeah. No guarantee there. GSAT went from $1.89 to $2.22. We've seen better. Telsa. Telsa? What fucking stock is this? Not Tesla. Telsa. I'm going to get a Telsa. I can't afford a Tesla, but I'm getting a Telsa. This one has popped quite a bit this morning, so we'll keep Telsa up. All right. Popped to 232 and is down to 180. I'm probably some people do. They're probably like, holy shit, this must be some kind of mistake. I got to get this. I can get Tesla for $2. I mean, the Dunning-Kruger effect, it can be brutal. It can be brutal. And then later on, they're like, oh, so embarrassed. Asana, yep, up the biggest. Okay, I'm looking through the big caps now. Charge Point and NCNO. GSM, 1.6 billion market cap. Okay, then we're good. All right, those are our picks this morning. I'm going to start labeling them up now. You can see them better. FCUV and the horse you rode in on. Any, IFA, Asana, CNO, Telsa, and we do have Apple, Tesla, much better company, you ask me. PSTV, then Telsa I'm talking about. All right, CH Charge Point, GSM, GSAT, Global Sat, PVH, AMC, EVAX. I wonder if there was like people investing in horse and buggy companies back in like the turn of the 20th century on like the penny stock exchange, like Aerotine horse and buggy systems. QT, BLCM, and RDHL. All right, now, you guys, have I missed anything? Is anything else hot? Doing anything interesting this morning? AMBA. Okay, let's go through if there's anything I missed here. No, I got that. It's right there. Make sure you know how to read. All right. Nah, I'm kidding. AMBA looks like, what is this? Is this OTC? Had any trading pre-market yet? Oh, it has. Okay. It hasn't moved much in pre-market. All right, we'll keep it on watch, but that's one that is not showing a lot of interest pre-market. Nicola, let's see. You guys in the South Beach, Miami area, or just South Miami area, South Florida area, if you'd like to come by tomorrow morning to the Betsy, we'll have a seminar, a little mini casual seminar meeting, and followed by lunch at 10:30 a.m. until 12:30, a little 2-hour seminar on chart reading and trading. And if you are a member of our trading community, it's free for VIPs on up. But if you're not, then just $20, and you're allowed to bring some friends. $20 per person. And we'll be doing it again on Tuesday morning. Same thing, 10:30 a.m. until 12:30, and then lunch. So that's Friday and Tuesday mornings at the Betsy in South Florida, in South Beach, Miami. All right. Hope to see you guys there. Nicola. Yeah, Nicola is up about 10% in pre-market. It's got a lot of congestion it's got to work through. I don't think we're going to be trading that today. PayPal's, I guess you're probably asking me as a swing. It's okay. How did IFA pop so quickly? That happens. You'll see that happens with these stocks. So some kind of news comes out and it's huge news for the stock, and then they pop huge. That can happen. You should definitely be curious about it because, yeah, that's what we do. We trade stocks that are fresh and hot. We're like Hell's Kitchen for stocks. All right, let me get to some of your comments here. Is it too? Let's see. BTCI at 335, it can break. It'll have more momentum to the upside for an entrance. BTCY, let's see. Not really, because look at all this congestion above it. Okay, no. DD had a big run in remarket and pre-market. Let's see. Oh yeah, DD might be popping. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we'll keep DD up. That could be a good trade. If it breaks 943, you can get in for 15 cents a risk. That's super. BYSI, DraftKings. Somebody wants me to take a look at DraftKings. We got 15 minutes to the market open. DraftKings, yes, DraftKings is popping. If it can break 61.70, maybe it'll run a couple of points. Your questions were, you guys should check out the Swedish Investor on YouTube. He has some nice summaries and trading books, great content. I binged it all night. Yes, I've watched all that dude's materials, and I think I'm subscribed. And yeah, he's great. Great chart reader. Hey, Evan, is it too late to take the forward swing trade? Was also wondering what you saw on the chart to try to swing that trade. No, it's not too late to take the forward swing trade. Mm-mm. And too much to discuss. Why? Bring back Kermit. Where's the mayor? Hi, hello, everybody. What are you talking about, Kermit the Frog? Bring back Kermit. Dogs do not drink coffee. Oh, bring back. That was part of the coffee talk. Coffee talk. Our guest today in the studio is, now I'm the British dude. I don't know what the fuck. Price target of 170. Now at all-time high breakout. What are you talking about, Matt? AMBA. Okay, AMBA. Price target of 170. Wow, that'd be great to see if it could run today. You guys be watching AMBA or break and run today, or potential dip and run. If you want to attract more losers, add to the moon. Yes. PSTV puts. I think, is that what I was saying earlier? Yes. It is most likely correct. Every time PSTV, whoops, sorry, there we go. Every time PSTV has opened with a big gap up, it has, gone up a little bit and then bled red for the rest of the day, all the way back down to fill the gap. So that's a really good opportunity for you guys if you can find shares to short or option contract for puts. How many screens do I use for trading? 1, 2, 3, 4 that I really use. But then I have 2 TVs here as well, so I can watch 2 different news channels, and an extra screen here for any further information. But that's really, my setup is for more. I have another monitor arm that's going to go here. I have another monitor that I haven't put up yet. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 screens, 2 computers. I just find it necessary. I am not one of these guys that likes to flip through tabs to look, and or like, let's say, like, oh, how is such and such progressing? So then you have to type it in and it comes up. I don't like that. I like what I'm doing here, where I bring up all my opportunities in front of me. I like to see that. And on this other screen here, you can't see it, but on this other screen here, I have all the sectors of the market, oil, gold, all that kind of stuff. So I watch everything. There's no information that isn't helpful. Miles Davis said that knowledge is freedom and ignorance is slavery. So what I take from that is information. There's never a situation where information should not be available. So that also goes towards that censorship is wrong. And I think, Miles Davis, my dad played with Miles Davis, and I am sort of born and bred with that same philosophy that Miles Davis has. And my dad, I mean, they were big collaborators. And I highly believe in information and the freedom of information. And I don't believe in censorship at all. Like, I think people should be allowed to embarrass themselves, to say bad things, to say the wrong things, to incite violence, whatever the fuck you want to have come out of your mouth. If they can arrest you for it, we'll just arrest you for it. But you don't censor shit. Nothing. That's my own personal opinion. I think the cards will come out and lay where they lay if you let people say what they need to say. This is a really good piece of sourdough bread. All right, we got 9 minutes to open. Any is about to break? No, it's not. What's this? Yes, about to break. Any thoughts, Evan? I'm not sure what you're asking me. Try putting the whole sentence in there. MKD. Nah, we're not going to trade MKD today. I mean, maybe it'll go up 10 cents. It's a very congested trade. SPRT, somebody said. Not really. Somebody asked, how have my gains been in 2020 compared to 2021? Actually, they've been pretty similar. I'm always striving for 1% per day, and that's what I get. That's what I get pretty much in the long run. So 1,200% per year. A while ago, you mentioned Bitcoin could go back down to maybe test 20K. Are you still of that belief? No. Are you kidding? No way. Things change. You got to be willing to be the first person to be wrong. If you can be willing to be the first person to be wrong, you can make a lot of money in this market, because there's nothing like being wrong and thinking you're right to get in the way of you making money. So no, Bitcoin went on a huge run based on basically Ethereum leading the way. Ethereum is kind of leading the crypto market now. Ethereum, it really is. And so Bitcoin's just being dragged along, and all other crypto. Cardano shot way. Cardano is the absolute leader right now as far as relative strength. It shot way up and out of all-time highs, which basically no other significant crypto has done. So Cardano is showing more strength than any other crypto out there. And so anyway, yeah, I'm roughly bullish on the market right now, but it's not quite put in the right signals for it to be bullish. So I'm preemptively bullish. That's true, Benjamin. But yeah, there were just different key levels. Yeah, ultimately 20K, but yeah, 25K and I think 30K. Yeah. The risk on DraftKings. I don't have DraftKings up as a trade today. Let me see. I think we looked at it. For the swing, if it were to break 61.70, you could get in for $3 of risk on a swing trade. Whoever was asking about DraftKings. Do I see Neo hitting $42? I think you asked me the other day if I see it hitting 40. That's pretty funny. It's like somebody asks you, "Do you see Neo like coming back to 43.52?" I wonder why you're asking. Do you think Neo would ever get back to 43.52? Julian, you said, "Oh, I was asking for a daytard." A daytard. That's great. We got a new term we can use. Daytard. So I don't think Neo. I think Neo could get to 40, 40, 50. But outside of that, we'll see. Neo's bearish. Neo's bearish, baby. Neo's bearish. Hey, what happened here? Okay, Amba. And we've got 4 minutes and 24 seconds to the open before we turn off the TikTok stream. For those of you following on TikTok, if you'd like to continue live trading with us this morning, click the link in my bio. Be big is not really running, not that much, but if it breaks the pre-market high of 9.4, maybe we'll get in. We might have to wait for it to break yesterday's high, really, for it to really go hyperactive. A daytard. A daytard is a day trade that you get into, and you've already heard me tell you never ever hold a day trade overnight, and so you still do. You're a daytard if that happens. You're a daytard. That's what a daytard is. Okay, let me look at. Somebody says I might want to look at Ader. I don't want to miss any opportunities here, so let's see. No, that's not going to work out. And then DD we have up, yes, on my other screen here. If you click the link in my bio, you can see it on my 4K screen. Hut 8 mining, I see, and that's quite a bit up this morning. So if it's mining, I guess it's crypto. And if it is, then it's tied to crypto, and there's not a lot you can do to push it around. It's dependent. So, it doesn't matter how you couldn't buy it up and it would go up. It's gonna peg dependent on what crypto is doing and all of its holdings in crypto. So we don't trade stocks that are dependent on other assets. We want free and open shares, stock certificates that we can buy up and run up and halt and do all kinds of fun with, and that's not going to happen with a dependent stock. Daytard. Daytarding. I'm a daytarder. Neil was real careful to spell that correctly. You mean Roku, but you messed up Roku. He's like, Roku Day Trade. Don't make fun of me. Oh God, I misspelled Roku. Roku, no. Everybody wants to love Roku, and maybe that's enough for it to go a little bit today. So yeah, maybe, but it's a lower quality trade pushing into a ton of congestion. All right, 1 minute until the market open, guys. OCGN for long? No. Dude, pick a good stock. Agilent, A. Everybody put your money on Agilent and then call me in a year. And shut the fuck up. You ever go by the call put suggestions in Market Chameleon? No. In fact, I got really pissed off when I saw that because they're really way off. Bad shit. Don't follow those. I was mentioning that during a class one night when we were looking at Market Chameleon. I couldn't believe some of the ridiculous call outs they were putting there. Don't do it. All right, here we go. 15 seconds to the market open. All right, where are we getting the action? Asana. Amba. There goes Amba. Grab Amba for $5 a risk. I'm pulling it up now. The market is popping right off the open. Tesla just broke out. Apple just broke out. You can get into Apple for about 60 cents of risk on Apple if you want it. Tesla, about $4 of risk on Tesla if you want it. Now don't touch Asana yet. Let's let it pull back. SLQT just broke out. If you're interested in that, 40 cents of risk. SLQT. Be big, 9.5. So about 80 cents of risk on Be big, and Be big could run today. Be big could give you some good return. The potential is definitely there. What was the other one? We were looking at FCUV, right? Okay. If FCUV breaks over 25.01, you can get in for, let me get a correct pivot point for you. Okay, you can get in for $4 of risk. Be watching that. FCUV 20. Actually, it's even lower than that. 24.51, you guys. 24.51. FCUV if it breaks 24.51. What is this now? AMBA. Did anybody catch that AMBA? It is running.